your question related to due diligence and how do you buy a property as a buyer. When a buyer comes to me and we decide that this is the property that they want to make an offer on, then what we do is we make an offer quickly, typically either through a letter of intent or a full purchase and sale agreement. And once that offer is accepted through either the letter of intent or the purchase and sale agreement, then the buyer has a window of opportunity, either typically 30 to 45 business days, for a complete thorough analysis of the property. So that's when we do the due diligence. We look at the property for the performance, we look at the rent roll, we review the leases, we do a thorough analysis of the property. Often if a lender is involved, they'll require to have a phase one environmental inspection done, as well as an appraisal. If my buyer is paying cash, then of course an appraisal is not required, but we will still frequently do a phase one environmental inspection as well during the due diligence process. And if for some reason something comes up that's a concern, then we go back to the seller and we negotiate those items. Not ticky-tack things, but big issues like, hey, the roof is at the end of its life, or there's some safety issues, or there's some structural issues. Then we negotiate with the seller. And if the seller is unwilling to negotiate on either a price concession or curing the problem, then the buyer terminates the transaction and they can get their earnest money refunded.